Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Story Time for September 8th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is caring. A World of Kindness, from the editors and illustrators of Pajama Press. Are you kind? Do you wait your turn? Will you help someone younger or older? Are you gentle with animals, big and small? Do you say please and thank you? It's easy, you know. But can you say I'm sorry if you're ever wrong? Could you share something special? When someone is shy, do you help her join in? Will you watch over someone else? When someone is sad, will you comfort him? Will you be a friend to someone new? And that, my friend, is how a little kindness grows into a world of kindness. The end. I'm going to make the earth in my hands. And what you need is your Craft to Go kit, which includes a piece of, this was going to be construction paper, but I found cardstock, so we're using that. Just taking out the staple. You'll also have a little picture of the world, not to scale, and a little heart. And what you'll do is the first thing you'll do is on your cardstock, you'll need, what else will you need? You'll need a pen or a pencil, some watercolors, watercolor crayons look like this, and of course watercolor paints look like this. I'm going to use watercolor crayons, but for either you'll need a cup of water and a paintbrush, and you'll need a glue stick or glue to glue the parts together. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my hands so that it can hold. I'm going to take my rings off so that I don't have a bump. So I'm going to take the pen and trace my left hand. Now, because I don't cut perfectly straight, there will be some leftover marks. I'm probably going to swap hands. Now, the tricky part, and you can get help to do this, is to trace your trace your dominant hand with your non-dominant hand. And I'm right-handed, so using my left hand to trace this is difficult for me. But if you stick close to the fingers, it should turn out okay. Not perfect, but okay. And you can fix whatever in when you cut. Okay, so that's not so bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and I'm going to try to not get too much pen mark on, or else I'll have to switch sides and flip them over. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this off while I cut. See, now I do have some glue. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it, and it drives me nuts. So I'm going to turn them over and do them this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue the hands together. so that they can hold the earth. So we're just going to use our glue stick and put a little bit of glue on the bottom of one and glue them together. Then we're going to put a little bit of glue on the backs of this. So we can put the world in the hands. Then you just need a little bit of glue on the back of the heart. We're going to glue that right in the, putting mine in the water. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to paint. And since I'm using my watercolor crayons, painting includes coloring. So I'm going to color the ocean blue, and I'm going to color the land yellow, or I'm sorry, not yellow, green. And then what we'll do is we'll add some water to it, and it'll turn it into watercolor paint. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off while I color, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, I've colored it all in the watercolor crayons. I'm going to have some tissues here to dab off my colors. And then you just take some water and gently brush it on and see how it turns into a watercolor paint. So I'm going to do, I did my heart red. I'm going to dip it in the water. I'm going to get the red off. Dip it in the water, and I'm going to do the, carefully do the land, which is green. In mine, you can do yours any colors you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint all this. Try not to get it on my hands because I want them to stay white. But you could also color the hands and make those different colors too. Yeah, that's all you do. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the recording and finish adding water to the watercolor crayons. And then I'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay, I finished adding the water, and now it looks like it's watercolor painted. See how nice that turns out? And that's my world in my hands. So you can do it any way you want. Like I said, you can paint the hands as well if you want. I just chose to leave mine white, but you can see I got a little bit of paint on them. That's okay. Nothing's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed that.